Artie, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm gonna post this idea. Where's the chicken? Okay, out, Blizzard. Blizzard! Come on, Blizzard. Oh, why is there so much food on here? Hey, Blizzard. Oh, great. It's disgusting. This is how you get Blizzard out here. Here, Blizzard.